Well, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial we are going to crochet this very fashionable right now wooden clasp handbag. I don't have the link for the wooden clasp because I bought them last year, but I have the link for the cord. I will drop it in the description box down below. Also, there is a giveaway that is happening on this video. If you want to participate, just be a subscriber of my channel and like this video, give this video a thumbs up, and of course comment in the comment section down below. And I will choose a winner for an Amazon gift card of 20 euros. So the winner is going to win an Amazon gift card of 20 euros. And also, if you want to participate second time or a third time, you can follow me on Instagram page or on my Facebook page, and you can participate 2 times or 3 times. Okay, so without further ado, let's just get into this tutorial. For this handbag, as I mentioned previously, I used a 4mm hook and a cord. I will drop the link in the description box. I bought this on Amazon. I started with 15 chain stitches. Don't forget to subscribe if you like the content of my channel and you are new here. Once the chain stitches are done, I will skip the first chain stitch and I will insert the hook in the second chain stitch, and I will do 1 single crochet. And I will do this until the end of the row. So just keep crocheting single crochet stitches. At the end you will have 14 single crochet stitches. Also, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, of course, if you like it, and also don't forget to share it with your friends if you think that anyone is interested on this kind of handbag. Once you are done with the first row, you will have, as I told you, 14 single crochet stitches. Do 1 chain, turn your work, and then work on your way back. So skip the first stitch and insert the hook in the second one. And do 1 single crochet on both loops. Keep crocheting 1 single crochet until the end of the row, and you will have again 14 stitches. So keep crocheting forth and back, single crochet stitches, rows with single crochet stitches. Here is how it turned out, and I have 24 rows with single crochet stitches, and the height is about 13.5 cm of the rectangle, as you can see, and then the width is around 9.5 cm. So once this is done, I will go around with 1 round of single crochet, but I will do on 4. I will do increases in all 4 corners of this rectangle. So as you can see, I will do 1 increase here, and I will put a marker at the first stitch of the increase. Then on the other, I will continue to crochet 1 single crochet stitch on each hole that I have, as you can see here. So I will insert on the next row and 1 single crochet, and I will crochet until the end. Without the stitch of the marker, I will have 24 stitches on this side. So just keep crocheting 1 single crochet until the end of the row, and you will have 24 stitches. Okay, so once I arrive at the end, now here I need 1 more increase, right? I did 24 stitches on this side, and then I will do one more increase because I need 4 increases in 4 angles. I will put a marker to know where the increase is. Then I will keep crocheting on this side 14 stitches. Single crochet stitches until the end. So of course, once I arrive at the end, I have 14 single crochet stitches, and here of course I will do again one more increase where I will put another marker. So I guess you understand what's the logic behind all this. Okay, so once I did the increase, I will crochet in the next side 24 stitches. Of course, I need 24 stitches on this side as well with single crochet, the same what we did in the other side. Once 24 stitches are done, I will do my last increase to my last corner, as you can see here, from the marker until this end. The last stitch that I did are 24 stitches. Okay, so now I have the last side of the rectangle. I will do one more increase here. So this is the more stitch that I had, one more stitch. And then in the same place I will start to crocheting the last 14 stitches of the last side. Okay, so I will crochet single crochet stitches until the marker, the pink marker, and in total there must be 14 single crochet stitches. Okay, so here we are once we have finished all around with a single crochet. So let me just tell you some numbers here. So I have here, I did an increase on all 4 angles. Okay, so I have 24 stitches on this side from here until here, and then I have 14 stitches on this side, and then 24 on this side, and then 14 on this side. These numbers do not include the 4 increases. So I have 24, 14, 24, another 14 here, plus 4 on the sides. Okay, so what we are going to do now, we are going to do some increases. We need to do 2 increases on the side with 24 stitches on both sides, and then 1 increase on the sides with 14 stitches on both sides, 1, and then we are going to do 1 increase over here as well on all these 4 stitches that we have the markers. Okay, so we start with this side first. Take out the first marker. Where we had the first marker, we had the first increase here. We are going to crochet 2 half double crochet now. So where we had 1 increase, we are going to do the next increase with half double crochet. So we are going to work from now on with half double crochet. Yarn under, insert the hook on both loops, yarn under, pull through, and yarn under, pull through, and 1 more half double crochet in the same place. Okay, I will put the marker. You can put it rather here or rather here, but I will put it at the first one, I will keep doing the increase always at the first one, because every row we go for a couple of rows we are going to do increases on all the 4 markers. Okay, and then how we are going to divide this part here is because we need 2 increases, so 24 minus 2 stitches that we do the increases, 22. And so we are going to do we are going to use these calculations. I am going to crochet half double crochet for 7 stitches, then on the 8th one I will do 1 increase with a half double crochet, and then I will crochet another 7 stitches, and then on the 8th one I will do 1 increase, 2 double crochets in the same stitch, and then the rest 8 stitches I will just crochet 1 half double crochet on each. This is how we are going to work this row. Okay, so let's crochet 7 half double crochets. So for the next 7 stitches, crochet half double crochet, 1 half double crochet, 2 half double crochet, 3, 4. Okay, so together with this one is 8. Okay, but these 2 we're just going to calculate as an increase, and then we have 7 half double crochets, and at the 8th one we will do 1 increase with half double crochet. So at the 8th one we will do 2 half double crochets in the same stitch. Okay, just like this. Now we're going to crochet another 7 half double crochets for the next 7 stitches. 1, 2, 3, and 7. Okay, I will put a marker on each first stitch of the increase, so that we can keep the counting really tight. Okay, in here I had the 2 increases, so the first one I will put a marker. Okay, and here again at the 8th one we are going to crochet 2 half double crochet in 1 stitch, so 1 increase here, 1 and 2 in the same stitch, and I will put a marker again in the first increase, in the first stitch of the increase. Then I am left with 8 stitches over here, and then for the rest 8 of the stitches, the left 8 stitches, I will work a half double crochet, 1 half double crochet on each stitch. So 1 half double crochet, work them with half double crochets, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so this is how one side with 24 stitches at the base is going to look like. Okay, and here we have the marker. We take out the marker and we do an increase, so with half double crochet, of course. So 1 and 2 half double crochets in 1 stitch. I will put the marker again at the first stitch of the increase. I will keep to do for the next round again the increase where I have the marker. Okay, so now let's do the increase on the narrow side with the 14 stitches. So I have 14 stitches, 1 stitch I will need for the increase, so I have left with 13 stitches, which means I will have 6 stitches on one side, the increase, and then 7 stitches on the other side. So let's work with half double crochet. Next 7 stitches, next 6 stitches with half double crochet. So 1 half double crochet, 2 half double crochet, 3 half double crochet, and then at the 7th stitch I will do one increase, 2 half double crochet in one stitch, 1 and 2. Here I have the increase. I will put a marker in the first stitch of the increase because for the next round that I'm going over, I want to do the increase again here. And then for the rest, next 7 stitches, the left 7 stitches, I will do half double crochet. 1, 2. So this is how I am going to work this other side as well. Okay, so where I have the marker here, again I will take out and I will do one increase here with the half double crochet. So let's do 2 half double crochets on this stitch, 1 increase, and put back the marker at the first stitch of the increase. Okay, then I will just do 2 increases here as well and 1 increase here as well, using the same counting that I did over here. So I will work 7 half double crochets. At the 8th stitch I will do 1 increase. I will work 7 half double crochets. At the 8th one, 1 increase, and the rest, the left 8 stitches, I will work with half double crochet. I will do here an increase again at the marker, and I will work this side same as this one. So I will finish these 2 sides as well, and I will show you how the first round with the increases looks like. Okay, so here it is. I didn't finish the 7th stitch, the last stitch here. I will do the 7th one, and from now on I will work on spiral, which means that this last stitch here is going to be a little bit higher than the other one. I do that for the purpose of not having edge, because if I connect the last stitch with the first one, then somehow you can see that there is a line here. Okay, so I'm gonna do the 7th stitch here, half double crochet, and I am done. This is how it is going to look like. So once I finish basically this is the second round after we finish the small base here, but this is the first round with a half double crochet. So for me, the first round was with single crochet, that we did only those 4 increases here, but then we started working with half double crochet. So I will call it like the first round but with half double crochet. So once you finish the first round with half double crochet, in total you are going to have 90 half double crochet stitches in total. So now we are starting the second round with half double crochet, and we are just going to continue with the same logic. Where we have the markers, we will do increases. Where we have stitches without markers, we're just going to crochet a half double crochet there. So I have an increase here, and I will crochet increase. Okay. Okay, so I will crochet at the marker 1 and 2 half double crochets. I will put the marker again at the first stitch of the increase, and then the rest until the marker I will crochet with a half double crochet. Just do that for all the stitches. Where you have the marker, you do 1 increase with half double crochet, and the rest just 1 half double crochet on each stitch. Here I have the next marker, take out the marker, and an increase here with half double crochet, and then put the marker at the first stitch of the increase, and then just keep doing this. Do the increases where you have the markers until you finish the second round. Okay, so this is how it is going to look like once you finish the second round with a half double crochet. At the end of this round, I have in total 100 half double crochet stitches. Okay, so I have 10 increases, So 90 in the first round and plus 10, it's 100 in the second round. It makes sense, right? So we are going to do the third round. So in we are just going to do the same logic where we have the sign, the marker here, we're going to do an increase. Okay? For the rest of the stitches, you just keep crocheting one half double crochet on that stitch. So at the end of the third round, I should have 110 half double crochet stitches, right? Just take out the marker and crochet one increase with half double crochet, of course. Put back the marker at the first stitch of the increase, and then the rest of the stitches until the marker. Just work one half double crochet on each where you have the marker, do an increase, and work that until you arrive at the end here. At the end you should have 110 half double crochet stitches. Okay, so here we are at the end of the third round with half double crochet, and we are going to go for one more round with the increases. So we are going to do increases for the fourth round again where we have the markers. At the end of the fourth round you should have 120 half double crochet stitches. Okay guys, so here it is. I finished also the fourth round doing the increases. Now I will start to do the upper part, so I will not do any more increases. So what I'm gonna do is just on each stitch one half double crochet. So take out your markers. If you want to, you can keep the markers, but I usually don't. So I will just keep the first marker probably. So I know that here the round starts as is an it goes in spiral, right? So I will just keep this marker. All the others I will take out, and I will just work one half double crochet on each stitch. Okay, so keep working like this all around for 17 rounds. This is how the bag is going to look once I finish 17 rounds with no more increases. So now I will take the accessory that the wooden accessory on top, the clasp, the wooden clasp, and then I will put like this up here. And then I will try to fit the size. This size is bigger than the wooden clasp, of course, but as you can see, I have already marked a little bit earlier where I had the increases underneath. I think here I will do some, I will close this part up here where I did the increases like this. And then I will check if the upper fits. Okay, so first what I'm gonna do is I will see where I have the increases underneath, which are these ruffles here. You can see I have one increase here, one increase here, and then on both sides we did one increase, and then on the other side again 2 increases. So more or less where is their position up here, I will just I will not really calculate exactly how many stitches, but it's nearly 7 or 8 stitches that I will put together here. So this is 1 increase and this is 2 increases, and the increase over here is up here. So I will close here 7 or 8 stitches, and I have 2 on this side, which were, one was here and one was here, and then I have one on this side. So I will just put a marker there. So as you can see, I left 8 stitches here and then 8 stitches here, and I will do that for all the increases around. Okay, so here is how it will look like. Okay, in this side you will see that the rectangle is like this. So now I will try to put the wooden part up here, and it kind of fits. Don't worry, it doesn't have to be perfect fit. Okay, so once I have this, now I will start to crochet from here. I will start to crochet single crochet and I will skip this part here. These stitches here I will skip, and then on all the other stitches I will work single crochet for 2 rounds. So as you can see here, I have the marker inserted here and this one, so I will skip all these stitches, and then I will just work in the next stitch over here. Again, single crochet, keep working single crochet all around. You can see here the next one, I have these 2 stitches connected, so I will skip all those stitches. I will insert right here to the stitch next to the marker. Keep doing single crochet. And I will do this for all the sections. Just work single crochet. So this is the first round, and then the second round you just do on each stitch 1 single crochet again. This is how it is going to look like once I did 2 rounds with single crochet. So you can see now that it is become a little smaller, right? And this is how it will go on top. So now I will just take out all the markers here. I don't need them anymore, and I will just try to do a slip stitch here first, and then I will cut the yarn, and then I will just fix the clasp. I will do 1 more slip stitch, and then 1 more again slip stitch, and then at this one I will just pull up some yarn and cut. So this one I will hide. You can do that with a needle or with just your crochet hook, up to you. And I will hide in the back. Well, once that is out of the way, clean up all the markers. So here it is, and I will put the clasp on this way, which means that the 2 openings will be on the longer side of the rectangle, okay? So it will just close like this rather than like this, okay? So I will show you that I will place first, to have an idea, I will place the clasp. It's going to be like this. Now I can put the screws. So they come with this kind of small screws like this, and you have to put the crocheted part, the end here, you have to put it inside here, and then fix it with a screw, with this one, if you see here. So let me show you. Okay, so this comes with screws like this, these small screws, which first I will put 1 here, 1 here, and 1 in the center, and the same on the other side, 2 on the ends and 1 in the center. Once the bag is fixed on these places, I can put the others more carefully, okay? So I will put in the other side 1 screw. Push it a little bit with your hand because they don't have the place exactly. Okay guys, I did put one, managed to put one here and one here. They're a little bit tricky, and as you maybe you can see here, they have I put them down a little bit. You can see down here. Okay, so then it's easy to grab. So the same I will put on the other side, one and one in here in the center. And then what I'm gonna do is I will just, again, as I told you, I will place it in the right place, and this is this half that will go inside here in the hole. You see here we have a hole, and this will go inside here all around. Somehow you have to manage to put the crocheted border inside. So once this part is inside and fixed well, then you can screw this 3 here and then another 3 on the other side, and then just put the rest. Okay, so first insert in the tunnel here in this part and then screw. So I will do this off camera because it takes some time, and then I will show you how it all looks like. Okay guys, so here it is. I finished inside. I still have one left here, one here, but I will put them. So this is how it looks like from inside. These are a little bit tricky to put, but I'm very happy, and I haven't make it full yet, but I'm very happy with the result. I really love this handbag, and I really hope you like it too. And this can be made with so many other kind of materials. It doesn't have to be the cord that I use, and you can use different other kind of materials. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, follow me on my other social media, and I will see you on my next one. Cheers!